Hello, this is Alan from Worldwide Vending. This is just a short video to introduce the Sorrento Touch 50 multimedia vending machine. This machine has a 50-inch or 127cm touchscreen for easy product selection, and it allows screen space for advertising in video or slideshow formats. Top of the screen we see a video ad running. You'll hear that it has full stereo audio.
It's consistent. Testing every move in every direction. What's more,
Center of the screen is the product menu for item selection. And bottom of the screen is further space for a video or a slideshow presentation. Purchasing is made easy on the Touch 50 vending machine. Simply select the Buy Now for the item that you want. You'll be brought to the payment screen. Detailed product descriptions are also shown on this screen. Insert some money, some coins, notes or credit card. Select payment. The machine vends the product. And you can now pick up your product from the delivery bin. Purchasing using the shopping cart feature is also easy. Simply select Add to Cart for each of the products that you wish to select, selecting up to 3 products. Then select the shopping cart to go to the shopping cart itself, where the products you have selected will be displayed. You can increase the number of products on this screen. Hit payment, add some money or credit card, and hit payment again. The machine shows the vending process. And now the first product is vended. And now the second product is vended, and it shows you that the vend is complete. You can now remove your products from the delivery bin. The Sorrento Touch 50 vending machine introduces an innovative change to the Australian vending industry. Its shopping cart feature, along with its clear display of product images and detailed descriptions, enhances the user experience. The multimedia capabilities also open opportunities for product promotion and to stimulate sales. If you would like more information on the Touch 50 vending machine, please contact Worldwide Vending on 1300 386 609 or visit worldwidevending.com.au. Thank you for watching.